So if I was a beginning real estate investor and I had a successful career, day job, you're making a good living, and I wanted to create a passive income stream, I would look at two things particularly. And this is given all my experience flipping houses, wholesaling deals, having in-state rentals, out-of-state rentals, commercial projects, you name it, I've had a pretty good sampling. What I would buy is a turnkey rental in a really hot growth market that has both good cash flow and appreciation prospects. I bought some in Dallas a few years ago that have doubled in value and cash flowed the entire time. I did nothing but write a check, and every month my property management company sends a report and just direct deposits that into my account. It is easy squeezy. In fact, call me crazy, but I've actually never seen these properties. They're completely hands off. I just took a look at the school district. I like the renovation that was done. So there's some turnkey operators that are excellent. It's a good way to get in the game, to understand what's going on. And with 20-25% down payment, you can get some pretty good cash on cash returns. I personally would look at markets like Florida right now, Texas, Arizona, some places in the Midwest where there's high growth and a good price to rent ratio. It's also landlord friendly versus a more tenant friendly state. If I had the means and I was an accredited investor, I would take a look at what I do today, which is commercial syndications. And so being a part owner in a larger deal with better economies of scale, better tax advantages, more appreciation, more loan pay down, everything it's fundamentally very similar to that rental property example that I gave, but with an extra comma and more zeros behind it. So I think once someone has gotten their feet wet with a couple rentals, they're a good candidate to step up to the commercial platform and look at how they could maybe get even better returns working on some bigger, even higher quality projects with better economies of scale. If you haven't already, check out the video on 5 different ways to invest in real estate. And if you're interested in owning commercial property alongside me, jump out to my website. You can join the wait list, get started, get registered so you can see my deals as I put them under contract and understand how I work with friends and colleagues to invest together and buy some bigger deals.